Folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We have a 2019 Open 7 Zodiac model center console rib on a galvanized EzLoader trailer. Just came in, 220 guaranteed and verified hours on it. It's got the optional T-top on it, has a winter cover that goes with the boat too, and has the bigger 250 horsepower Yamaha outboard on the back of it with a stainless steel prop. The boat is in beautiful condition, lightly used, and as I said probably earlier, 220 guaranteed and verified hours. We have put our diagnostic tool through it. It's recently had oil changes on it as well. It is ready to go. It's a 2019 22-foot Zodiac Pro or Open model. It says Open 7 is what it's called. It has a Simrad chart plotter on it. It's got the T-top on it, rod holders, everything you would expect on a boat like this. Rare find in the Pacific Northwest and realistically priced and powered with the 250 Yamaha lightly used EzLoader trailer with oil bath bearings is included. 22-footer. What a great tender boat, great commuter explorer boat. Somebody's going to end up with a great looking Zodiac. Realistically priced. Call Christy 604-317-3847 for more information and for viewing hours on this boat. This one is going to go quick. We appreciate you watching our videos. Thanks again.